Have you ever felt like manifestation works for everyone else but not for you? You visualize, you repeat affirmations, maybe you even made a vision board. But the money doesn't come, the relationship doesn't appear, and the life you dream of still feels frustratingly far away. You see others succeeding and you wonder, what am I doing wrong? Here's the truth, most people fail at manifesting not because they're not trying, but because they're trying in the wrong way. They're focusing on the external, without addressing the internal. It's like trying to drive a car with the emergency brake on. You can rev the engine all you want, but you're not going anywhere fast. In this video, you're going to learn the real reason why manifestation doesn't work for most people, and how you can finally succeed, using powerful insights backed by neuroscience and identity psychology. This isn't about wishful thinking, it's about understanding the mechanics of your mind and how to align it with your deepest desires. Stay tuned, because the next few minutes could change how you create your entire reality. The biggest reason people fail at manifesting is this: they focus only on what they want. The new job, the bigger house, the soulmate, not on while wanting it. Neuroscience tells us that up to 95% of your thoughts, emotions, and actions are driven by your subconscious identity. If you're consciously trying to manifest success, but your subconscious identity is whispering, "You're unworthy, you're always broke," your brain will filter reality through that identity. It will actively reject or sabotage anything that doesn't match its core programming. Dr. Bruce Lipton says your subconscious beliefs are like software running in the background of your computer. If that software has a virus, a limiting belief like "I'm not good enough," it doesn't matter how many new shiny applications, your desires, you try to install. The underlying program will corrupt them, slow them down, or prevent them from running altogether. So, what's the first step? It's radical self-awareness. You have to be willing to get brutally honest with yourself. Until you change the program, the outcome will stay the same. Now it's time to rewire those limiting beliefs. Your brain doesn't know the difference between something vividly imagined and something that's actually happening. Studies show that mental rehearsal creates new neural pathways in your brain, just as if you were physically doing it. This is the foundation of neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to reorganize itself. Visualization isn't some magical incantation, it's mental conditioning. But it only works if you do it right: consistency, emotional engagement, and using the present tense. By consistently visualizing your desired outcome and imbuing it with strong, positive emotion, you are programming your reticular activating system, RAS, to actively look for and notice opportunities that align with your new, desired identity and goals. You start to change what you notice in the world around you. You are actively sculpting your brain to support the future you are creating. Thoughts alone are not enough. Emotion is the magnet. Studies show that your emotional state broadcasts a specific energetic frequency. If you're saying, "I'm abundant," but your body is humming with fear or lack, then your nervous system is emitting signals of scarcity. The key is emotional alignment, cultivating the emotions of your desired outcome. This is about training your body to believe that what you desire is already true. Start each morning by immersing yourself in the emotion of already having what you want. Visualize your success, your happiness, your fulfillment vividly. Feel the gratitude, joy, peace, and confidence as if it's already yours. When your body believes something is real, your outer world begins to reflect that inner belief. Manifestation isn't just sitting back and waiting for the universe to deliver. Dopamine spikes in of a reward, and when we are actively meaningful goals, taking aligned, inspired action is essential. Manifestation is co-creating, setting the intention, aligning your energy, and then taking action. Follow intuitive nudges and take action. You are the version of yourself who already has what you want. This creates a feedback loop. Your evolving identity inspires new actions, and those actions confirm your new identity. Inspired action is the bridge between your inner vision and your outer reality. Move forward from a place of alignment, clarity, and trust. The universe responds to energy in motion. You don't manifest what you want, you manifest who you are. Your self-concept is your broadcast signal to the universe. If your identity is rooted in lack or unworthiness, your energetic frequency will reflect that. To shift this identity, start acting, thinking, and feeling the identity of the person who already has what you desire. Change the way you speak about yourself and your life. Stand tall like a successful person. Speak with confidence. Make decisions from that empowered future self. Create daily rituals that reinforce this new identity. When your identity shifts, your reality begins to reorganize itself around that new frequency. If you've made it this far, congratulations. Here's your next step. Don't just watch this, apply it. Information without implementation is just entertainment. Go to the comments below and declare, what new identity are you stepping into today? Make that declaration to yourself and to the world. If you're serious about mastering manifestation, don't miss the next video. The 3-minute manifestation morning ritual that rewires your mind. Like this video if it resonated with you, subscribe for more content, and share this video with someone ready to start living their best life. The life you're meant to live isn't waiting for you to find it. It's waiting for you to become the version of you that already lives it. The power is within you. Go use it.